Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe, and today I am here with two fragrances from Memoize London. First, we're going to talk about Memoize, and then we're going to talk about Memoize. These two are Harrod'S exclusives. I already have the third from the Harrod'S exclusive, so I have all three Harrod'S exclusives now. This will be the third, second and third. Now I'm going to be finally looking at this series. So, first of all, here's Memoize. Memoize is sort of this purplish looking color bottle. And then we have this beautiful cap that kind of looks like something you'd put a stamp on, right? Stamp, stamp, stamp. So, nice little thing right there. All right. I know this series makes such great perfumes. I'm just excited about this new perfume line from Memoize. I've been with them since day one, since all their collections. And just about every single time they release a new perfume, I am all over it. All over it. Like, I love it. So Memoize, your hidden power is to make the impossible possible. Love, love, love that. Make the impossible possible. So, this is like a sweet, almost floral, almost, and I don't want to say this, but almost Play-Doh-like in a way. Playful, jovial. Obviously, it's not that, but it has this sort of vibe to it. Floral, for sure. There's floral in this. But it's really pretty. It's like almost a gourmand floral that is very playful. Very playful. Like this a lot. Of course, because I've already tried these. But now that I have the full bottle, it's just, I'm excited because I love Memoize. I love it. Next is Memoize. Memoize in the blue bottle. Memoize, when only the very best will do. Only the very best will do. Love that. Similar concept, we have this sort of a sunshine looking cap if you were to use it as a stamp. Make a little sunshine. Or a clover leaf or whatever you like to call it. These look like little clouds, like, you know, whatever you want to call it. This is the color, by the way. Sort of this teal-ish, turquoise-ish color. Let's call it that. Teal, turquoise. Now, let's have a little whiff of this one. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. Beautiful. This one's definitely a lot more rose in this one. Floral for sure. It's more seductive. I think it's sweeter, more seductive. Man, it's so good. I have yet to find one from this series that I didn't love. I just really, really like these. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun wearing these. Now that I have all three of them, that is the Harrod'S exclusive. Of course, they have a color range that they announced. Every year they come out with almost a new... Okay. Yeah. Every year they come out with a new, like, theme or a new series. And they did a dark series, a light series, based on the 7 deadly sins on the dark. The second one was based on the 7 heavenly virtues. And 7 is always, if you don't already know... The 7 is a 7 is like a favorite number for Holly. So I'm excited. Let's see what happens with the rest of this line. But these three, including, I think the other one is Delicier, I think is the third one. Delicier and these two make up the Harrod'S exclusive. But I'm sure over some time, they'll no longer be Harrod'S exclusives. I think you can get them anywhere and everywhere. So I will be back to talk to you more about them in a future posting on Instagram if you're not already following me. And if you have already tried these, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? What's your favorite Memoize London perfume? Leave a comment below. Let me know. I'll see you again in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.